Hello everyone, welcome to TYK News.
I'm Titi.
I'm Emma.
Hi, I'm Duffy.
I'm Angela.
I'm Bethany. I'm Vivian.
We are going to introduce our school dogs Blackie and Lulumi.
Blackie and Lulumi were 4 stray dogs who were abused.
So they were afraid of contacting strangers.
In 2008, they went to the school construction site.
The school rescued them, Lulumi and Blackie.
They became our school dogs, the guardians of TYK.
But sadly, Lulumi passed away in 2019. Blackie passed away last month.
Have you ever seen Lulumi? Yes, when I was in grade 1. It was 4 years ago. Lulumi was a big old dog. She had been with us for 11 years. Lulumi's owner was very violent to her, so Lulumi ran away. She ran to the TYK construction site. She was found by the workers. Principal 1 decided to let her stay at TYK. After she stayed at TYK for 11 years, one day, Lulumi was sick. After the check, the vet said that Lulumi was getting old. Because Lulumi was old and sick, the school held a retirement ceremony for her. Sadly, after a few days, Lulumi passed away. Lulumi was buried under the camphor tree near the guardroom. Lulumi was there, always with us.
We recently heard some sad news. Blackie passed away on May 16th.
Actually, Blackie was sick for months. The teachers brought him to the hospital many times.
The vets and nurses tried very hard to help Blackie, but unfortunately, she still passed away.
We are very sad. We all love Blackie very much. We appreciate her being with us for many years. Blackie always stayed near front of the gate and waggled her tail to welcome us. Now, when I come to school and pass by the gate, it reminds me of Blackie. Me too. It was heartwarming when I saw Blackie early morning. Have you played with Blackie? Yes, just once, but I was chased by her. I was so scared. But I saw many kids pet her. Maybe she was not at the mall in that time. Or you could ask the guardian if you could touch her or not. Yes, but now Blackie is not there anymore. Blackie has already gone to a better place. There is no more suffering and pain. It's a peaceful place. Yes, we will miss her forever. Me too. We will also miss Lulumi too. Thank you, the guardians of TYK, Blackie and Lulumi. We love you and miss you forever. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Vets and nurses tried very hard to help Lulumi.
You could ask the guardian if you could touch her or not. I'm Titi. Thank you, the guardians of TYK, Blackie and Lulumi. We love you and miss